If you're unhappy with your skin and you feel that you are not looking your best, you've got some freckles on your skin, you've got some wrinkles on your skin, and your skin is not smoothened out, it's got problems on your skin, I invite you to come to Leela's Permanent Makeup Studio, because I have done my training from the International School of Permanent Makeup in New York, and I've brought this technology over of the Korean glass skin facial. It's going viral all over the world, and I got the products, most of them from Korea as well as New York, the FDA approved products, the US FDA approved products, which I will work on you. We do micro needling on your face and introduce the PDRN serum into your skin, which will remove your wrinkles and remove the fine lines and also the freckles, give you a clear skin. I've personally done it myself and really seen a big difference. All our clients who've done this treatment are extremely happy with the result. So if you want to remove unwanted things on your face and you really want a clearer skin, you want your skin to look youthful, at least 10 to 15 years younger, I invite you to come to our clinic, and it's a Leela's Permanent Makeup Studio, where I do this Korean glass skin facial. It's an expensive treatment, but it's really worth the trouble that you go through and the money you pay for. And it's pain-free, there's no downtime at all. I use also a BB cream after that is over, again with a nano needle that will penetrate into your skin. Now, if you have melasma, I have another treatment which I join hands with this one, so that after this is over, I work with you on the other one, the Lala Pink treatment, and then that also will remove the melasma, because I use a resin which also penetrates into your skin and removes the pigmentation that you have, that you should not be having on your skin. So if you want a free consultation, I invite you to come to Leela's Permanent Makeup Studio in Panjagutta, and here I will give you a consultation, let you know the products that we use are super, the best in the world, and this will give you the results that you are looking for. So if you are unhappy with your skin and you want a change in your skin, you want to look young, you want to remove the wrinkles that are there on your face, I invite you to come. I'll give you a free consultation if you need, or if you just want the treatment, I'm here to help you with it. It only takes about 1.5 hours to finish the treatment, and if you maintain it every 6 weeks for about 6 months, really you will see a very big change in your skin. You will look youthful and radiant, and all the marks that you have from the sunspots that you have, they'll all disappear with our treatment. So I invite you to come and take our treatment and see for yourself how good it is. So we have a method. If you introduce somebody who wants to take our treatment because of your reference, we give you a discount. So if there are anybody like that, you please come over. I will explain all those things to you, and you will really be satisfied with what the results you get from us. See you soon.